guys, welcome back to another video. It is Solar Wolf Eclipse, and I'm here at my cousin's house, Midnight Love Play. She can't talk because, well, she's doing a voice reveal on her channel, so make sure to check that video out. What?
Okay. Tell them to search Catchlight for a video to find one and find a Solar with Alexander.
Just search up Midnight Love Play. And, go to Gatchlife. It will say voice reveal on her channel. This is a whining reveal. And a laughing reveal. The whining reveal. And I'm rocking out my cousin's leather jacket. Make sure to subscribe to Midnight Love Play's channel. So yeah, turn on the notifications on her channel too. Also do it on mine. Don't forget to join the wolf pack. I'm just chilling. Ooh, guys, my next video, I'm going to do a Light Fury reveal where I'm going to show you my Light Fury from Build-A-Bear. I already did Eclipse's video, but yeah. I'm at my cousin's house right now. Barf, barf, barf. I'm guessing she's reading that. Jiggers, Fearless has read that video before. I mean book. What? Video? What? What? Oh yeah, Jana really won. Yeah, Midnight really wants to read that book. Yeah. I can cut it out. So yeah, I'm chillin'. Lipstick. I'm gonna put on some lipstick. Oh, got normal chapstick. My chapstick. It's actually my chapstick. I don't speak whining.
W-I-L-D. Are you filming another video?
Cause I can't.
I said, are you? No,
Oh yes,
why?
I am.
Why?
Okay, one. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
You suck.
You do too. Sorry, but you do. Lucas even said
She's the one telling lies.
Lucas said my channel was better.
Lucas?
Yeah.
Who's Lucas?
Luker.
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 Who's Luker? I don't think anyone's named Luker.
From class.
What class?
Hello. Hello, wolves, sub to me.
That says hello. Hello, wolf, sub to me.
Yeah. Says hello, wolves,
No,
sub to
sub
me.
to me.
No, don't sub to him. In my video, you
Okay,
don't get
what
to sub
is
to him.
this video going to be called?
Okay.
Are you going to be doing anything exciting or just lay on the bed and talk?
You want to try this?
Yeah.
Try what?
Spaghetti.
Oh. It's has different sauce though.
I know. Tell them how I made this glider.
Oh. My cousin made this glider.
Glider? Does it actually glide?
And then, let's see. Okay. I got the glider. Woo! That was terrible.
Coming.
That was absolutely terrible. Let's put that back there. Ew. She just showed me her underwear. Weird. You sound like Peppa Pig. Guys, I'm sorry. You're probably never going to see my cousin's face because she's not allowed being on camera. She's doing this. Leave a like if you want. Leave a like if you're sad that you can't see her face. Leave a like if you. My uncle's my cousin took that sick of banana bread. That sick. That sick. I'm not joking. That sick. It was ridiculous. Okay, we got another note, guys. Okay, so this note says, oh, hello wolves, sub to me. I'm wasa me butt LOL. Guys, look at this. Look. I'm nose my butt LOL. What? Go write what that means. She's gonna write what that means and we're gonna find out. That is crazy and weird. Real weird. Weedy, 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 weird. Weedy, 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 weird. I have kept. Oh, guys, have you ever watched It's Funny? Make sure to subscribe. She is. Oh, wait, guys, we got the note. So it says it's an HOKI. Look. Look. No. It says it's an HOKI. But if you like, it's funny. Look at the lunar squishy. It's so cute. I just sat on my chapstick. Bye. We're just chilling around, chilling around, chilling around, chilling around, chilling around, chilling around. Oh, that was weird. But guys, I hope you did enjoy that hide and seek video. That was probably the most fun video I've made so far. I liked it. It was nice and beautiful. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna end this video here. But I hope you liked it. If you do, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to join the Wolf Pack. Yeah, guys. Don't forget to join the Wolf Pack. I'll see you all next time. Oh, and don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.